These Kinder Bueno cupcakes with creamy Nutella frosting are sure to impress your friends and family. To start, combine 3/4 of a cup of granulated white sugar with 3 eggs in a large bowl. Use an electric mixer if you have one, or just a regular whisk, and beat until it's frothy. Next, add milk and neutral oil such as sunflower oil, then whisk again until just combined. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients, and I recommend doing so by sifting them in through a sieve to remove any lumps. First up is all-purpose flour, followed by 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And this time when you mix, I recommend doing so by hand to avoid overmixing your batter, making it tough and crumbly. Finally, once all the dry ingredients are incorporated, add just a pinch of salt, then you can mix for only a few seconds with the electric mixer until the batter is smooth. Prepare a muffin tin with liners and use an ice cream scoop or small ladle to portion the batter into 6 large muffin cups. Make sure to only fill about 3/4 of the way up, since the cupcakes will rise significantly as they bake. Speaking of which, bake the cupcakes in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. You can easily check if they are done by slicing into the center with a knife or toothpick. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. Allow the cupcakes to cool completely, and in the meantime, we can make the Nutella frosting. To a chilled bowl, add 200 milliliters of cold heavy cream, as well as 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, also cold. You might have noticed a theme here. The colder all the ingredients stay, the better the texture of the frosting. You'll also need to add some powdered sugar, then use that electric mixer again to whip everything together until it thickens. Finally, add about 3 tablespoons of Nutella or other chocolate hazelnut spread, and whip again until combined. Feel free to try with other spreads such as jam or peanut butter also. Once the Nutella is well incorporated, transfer the frosting to a piping bag fitted with a metal tip. Use the tip to gently press into the center of each cupcake and squeeze a small amount of frosting inside. Next, push 2 squares of Kinder Bueno into the hole and top it with a lovely swirl of that Nutella frosting. You can garnish with another piece of Kinder Bueno, then enjoy. And guess what? We wrote a book! Click the link in the description to get your copy.